Good morning, traders. I hope you're having a good day, and as usual, it's always a good day to trade. So, without further ado, let's begin. Well, for starting today, the Bank Nifty has already opened a bit cap down, and I've already taken the trade. So, let's see how does that go.
We have taken the first entry in this point. As you could see in this tick, market open a bit gap down, quite contrary to our position, and it's trying to push down a bit, but we hold that thing and we end up buying them in at this level at 34,869, and we sold it immediately at 34,960 at 93 points profit. The logic and was quite simple. If you use CPR, you should have seen today's market has a really wide CPR that indicate the market is clearly going to be in a sideways mark form, and it has already been proven. You could see the market further down below, it was a good sideways, so we didn't want to hold this trade for that long for the market to get a bit sideways. And so the reason for entering here was reason number one, the market was going to be sideways, so I bought it at a point where the market was low and it was trying to push up higher. Reason number two, the market has clearly shown a pin type formation on spot chart, which really see there was a really good buying pressure. Reason number three, the at place which it has already forming wicks was the region of support, so there's high probability that market could go up higher. And but the problem was the market would never cross this 35,000 level itself, because it could have acted as really good resistance. So I never put the target near the previous day closing or low, because I know 35,000 level could put more institutional traders to short up at that level, and exactly that happened, and the market started falling after that. But we got out at really good 93 points profit, a risk to reward of roughly 1 is to 3, 2.6 risk to reward, so it was really good. But we made a next mistake, that was of over trading. I became a bit confident in pushing this thing, the market would going to go up higher and it might hit the CPR. The target was of really good, about 35,000. So what I did was I bought exactly at this movement again, with not a big risk, but my risk was in this thing was just of 30 points. And eventually the market did hit a stop loss in this candle and the second candle itself, and we have to get out of the trade with a small loss. So on 90 points we lost 30 points, but that did not take place in single move. I traded twice. So in first trade I made 93 points, this one. In the second trade I lost 23 points, and in third trade I lost 7 points. So that was two consecutive losses of totaling 30 points. So at that point, I lost my cool again, and I started trying to recover point. So as I see, the market was in downtrend itself. It was below 20 period moving average. So I again shorted at this point again. But luckily, I got my attitude, or say psychology, fixed, and I exited at no profit, no loss at at the level which I bought it at 34,879. So at the same level I exited. So there was just 200 rupees trading charges for trade, and but there was no major losses, but that 200 rupees was a big loss. So which put us a 93 points profit, around 2500, around 2500 roughly, to down to 1000 rupees because of trading, multiple trading charges, and 30 points loss in already in a positive trade. So but the logic reason here is I never risked my original capital. If I lost on my profit which I generated in this day today itself. So it was the market's money which market took it back. But my mistake in this thing was I shouldn't have taken the trade here in the first place. I should have waited it to cross the 20 period moving average. You could see after it crossing 20 period moving average, it shot up like really good move. But I was not able to capture that because I made a mistake here of losing 30 points and nearly blowing today's profit. So I closed the trade, closed the system, and I got off of the trading bench for the day. So that was a mistake. I should have in the first trade after the profit. I should have already should have closed this thing because I knew the market was going to stay sideways for and it could be a really badly range bounded. Like it has happened to me once again in Friday's market a couple of weeks back. The market did stuck in a really bad range, and we eventually have to close the close the trade with a really small profit of 30 to 40 points. So that was that trade. Um, but that this is for today. But we have made a small profit, a really bad mistake, which we paid very much dearly by losing 1500 points of our profit. So that's it for today, traders. I hope you like this video.
And if you do like, don't forget to smash that like button. Comment down below if you have taken a trade, if you have made a profit, loss, or any mistake like that. Don't forget to share, subscribe this video, and never forget to press that notification bell so you would never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.